Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. In this video I want to quickly show you how you can easily determine if the market is in a strong trend. If the market is in a strong trend. All right, so the first thing you need to understand is that you can only determine if the market is in a strong trend if you can check the structure that is formed on the higher time frame. Like right now I am on the weekly time frame. This is boom 1000 and I am on the weekly time frame. It's a very high time frame. It's a very high time frame. So now the structures I find here on this weekly time frame is what will determine if the market is in a strong trend on lower time frames. All right, so first of all, like I used when I want to do my analysis and I come to this weekly time frame, I mark out key levels. So the first thing you do is to first of all check, is the market on a key level. If the market has gotten to a key level and has then indicated it's going to reverse, then you should also understand that the market, since it is going to reverse on a higher time frame, then it means the market is going to be on a longer trend when you go to a lower time frame, like what we are seeing right here on the weekly time frame. We can see that the market has always been, let's just pick this particular point right here. Let's just pick some this to talk about. Let me use this arrowed line. Now you can see that each time market got to this level, it reversed, and each time it got back again and it reversed. And with this confirmation of a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern, you see it bought and targeted this high. So anytime market comes back again to this particular zone, and it gives you this bullish engulfing candlestick pattern here, is is an indication that the market is going to be buying for the next maybe few weeks. So after this bullish engulfing candlestick pattern, you see the market bought again for about 3 weeks. You see, it has been buying. It's not as if the market is not going to be selling also. It will be selling, but it will be more of buys. The market will be doing more of buys. So if you can detect this on time, like come to a higher time frame, and you find this kind of structure on a key level, a key support level, then you know that if you can go in with a good entry. I'm not going to talk about entries today, but if you can find this on a good with a good entry on this weekly time frame, guys, this key level here, then you'll be catching multiple spikes from here to here. If at all you'll be able to hold, this is more than 30 days. If you're taking from here to here, okay, seven days per week, that's about 20 something days, 21 days, guys. So imagine you catching spikes for like 21 days. With even if it is with a minimum lot size, you make some reasonable amount of money. Okay, let's just figure out something. Let's just try something. Let me show you the possibility. Let's say we're using 0.2, which is the minimum lot size for crash. Then let's say you entered your trade right here. Then our TP will take it up to this level. Guys, you can see this is about $194 with just a losses of 0.2. $194, you see. So that is a massive profit you will make. But can you hold? That's the question. Can you hold the trade that long? All right, so even if you cannot hold your trade that long and you can hold it for a little while, then you can open like two positions, guys, you will still make some reasonable amount of money. All you are doing is that you've noticed that the trend of the market is about to change. Although on this weekly time frame, looking at the way the market is, it looks bearish from this point, from this particular from here down. The market looks bearish because it's giving us lower highs down. But the fact that this is a high, 1 week, a weekly time frame, so one bullish candle like this is a lot of days. It's about 7 days. And if you go to a lower time frame, you will see this. You will see sweet buys from here. So it is very important that we take note of these things. Once market gets to, we just need to mark out our key levels and wait for market to get to that key level. With a good confirmation, we're going to make some money. Either you catch spikes or you scalp. Like what happened there, you can see here with these rejections. You see the market sold. The market sold down to this level. So these things is a very simple thing. So that's one of the stuff you need to take note of if you want to determine if the market is going to, if the market is in a strong trend. if the market is in a strong trend. Another one is this. Still within this point, you can see what we have right here. We have two bottoms here. We have the double bottom right here. So this is a strong reversal pattern, and for the fact that we are finding this on a strong key level, this is a weekly time frame, a key level. So with this bullish engulfing candlestick pattern, it really confirms that the market is going to buy, and target will be this particular high here, as you can see. So it is very, very interesting if you understand these things, because it's one of the problems traders will have: how to know if the market is going to be buying for a long time, how to determine the market is going to be, selling for a long time. Though this all really favors swing traders. What you see here, this analysis here really favors the swing traders. So if you are a day trader or a scalper, the best thing you can do is just to go to, maybe let's look at the 4-hourly time frame. So if we go to the 4-hourly time frame, you just look for the structure that you have, either the structure it forms, or the candlestick pattern that it forms, or the chart pattern that it forms. Anyone that gives you a confirmation the market is going to reverse, or is going to continue moving in the direction it was previously, then with a good confirmation you can go into trade. Then you understand the market is heading somewhere, that is far from where it currently is. So like now on the 4-hourly time frame, we can see a level of support somewhere here that looks like a key level. You can see this is a key level, actually not actually support. Is more than a support, is a key level because of the buys and sells around this level. You can see market sold from here, then also bought from here, then has been buying from here. You see, each time market gets to this level, it buys to this, it buys to the upside, gets to this level again, it bought. Now with this, we have this bullish reversal pattern at this point. So you can see this is 1 moment, please. Let me bring this to closer. All right, so you can see that this is a double bottom, which is a bullish reversal pattern here. With this, you can go in and trade. Market went up, came back to retest at this point, then you see it's been buying. So all you need is to find this kind of patterns on key levels in the market. You need to find these patterns on key levels in the market. You need to find these patterns on breakouts. Yes, you need to find them on breakouts. Just look for this kind of patterns, like even the head and shoulders pattern. Let's see if we find one here. Like this looks like head and shoulders pattern. This looks like head and shoulders pattern. You can see this the left shoulder, this the head, this the right shoulder, and you see the market so down. So you can spot this kind of structures or chart patterns on a higher time frame, like the 4-hourly time frame. Then when you go down to the 15 minutes time frame, you see that the market will be moving in your direction. If you want to sell, like maybe you spotted this, then you got your entry and started selling. You see that the market will be selling nicely to the downside. Even if there will be spikes, the spikes will not be long enough to take you out of the market, except you did not enter at the right time, except your entry is wrong, guys. So those are the things we need. Like now, another example is this, guys. Let's say the market is on a resistance zone. Then you find this kind of chart pattern here. Sorry, candlestick pattern here. Which one am I talking about? This particular one right here. This one here. This is a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern, and this is a resistance zone on the 4-hourly time frame. Then you should expect the next candle to be bearish. Then you can just target this low. When you go down to the 15 minutes time frame, guys, this is a lot of money. If you go down to the 15 minutes time frame, from here down to this place is a lot of money, guys. So all you need to do, just be spotting these things. It's a very simple stuff. Just be spotting. This thing I'm showing you is also a way you can identify a trend change in the market, because these are reversal patterns. It will help you to determine when the market is changing its pattern, changing its direction, within a certain time frame. So you need to learn even the breakout and the retest, like what is happening right here. You can see that market broke out somewhere here. Market has been buying from this level, you see, but at some point it broke out, then came back to retest properly. You can see it's selling nicely. With this, even with this bearish candlestick here that engulfs the previous bullish candlestick, which is actually a pin buy, you can see this is a confirmation. Then you sell, know that the market is in a strong trend. So in fact, to just make it very easy or simple for you, just identify chart patterns or candlestick patterns that signals either a continuation or reversal on on the key, especially on key levels in the market or key resistance zone or key support zones. Find them, try to identify them on a higher time frame, at least the 4 hourly time frame. Once you can find this on the 4 hourly time frame, then you can easily predict where the market will be going on the lower time frame. Like what we are having here currently, you can see the current chart now. See the current candlestick here. This is the 4 hourly time frame. We have a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern here. You can see immediately we have the bullish engulfing candlestick pattern here on the 4 hourly time frame. The next thing is the market has started spiking, and we are expecting the market to spike up to this level here. Our target should be this level. If you enter now to trade, target should be this level here. So, but if you go to them, you will see a whole lot of opportunity. Let's just mark out this place here. Let me look for a horizontal line and put right here. Then I'll go to the lower time frame, like the 15 minutes time frame, to go and see what we got. Now, you see where we are targeting. We are actually targeting this particular high here. We are targeting this high, and you know what it means, targeting this high. Let's duplicate this line, and no, I don't need to duplicate the line. Let's just try to see how much we can make if we are to enter this trade. Then even with the minimum lot size, let's say we enter the trade from here, then it got to this level. This is about 30 USD with just 0.2 lot size, just 0.2. So imagine you use 0.5, that would be $75, and this will be so much spikes. You'll be getting too many, be catching so much spikes. Then if you're somebody that has a reasonable money, maybe let's say about $100 on your account, then you want to try maybe losses of 1.5, that's about over $200, and it most likely will happen. It most likely will happen, guys. So it is very simple. Just look for this chart patterns or candlestick patterns that indicate reversals in the market, and try to locate them on key levels in the market. Try to locate them on key levels. You can see where I even placed this line. It's actually a key level on the 15 minutes time frame. It could also be on the 1 hourly time frame that I didn't check. You can see it's still a key level on the 1 hourly time frame too. So guys, this is what you need to identify if the market will be moving in a strong trend or has been moving in a strong trend. And with this, you will also be able to target to know if the market is close to where the trend is going to end. Like now, if you enter the trade right here, let's say you entered the trade at this point, then you're targeting here, know that there's a chance that the market will can reverse on getting to this zone. So maybe you opened your chart and found that the market was somewhere here or somewhere, then you should expect the market to turn to make a U-turn around this zone here. So in that case, you stay away from the market. You stay away from the market and wait to see a confirmation that is going to sell back, or it will still going to continue going up. The same thing happens if you are scalping. The same thing happens if you are scalping. If you find an opportunity, let's say, let me go back to the 4 hourly time frame. Let's say you have an opportunity like, let me see. Okay, this is another opportunity, but I have not explained this particular candlestick pattern to you guys. But actually, I used to trade it. This gives maximum profit. It gives a lot of profit. But let me use the one you will easily identify you or recognize. Let's use this one now. We have a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern right here. So if you enter here on you see on the close of this, and this is happening on a key level, guys, we expect sales, and the target will be this particular low here. So let's mark this place out. Then we go down to the 4 hourly time frame to see, to the 15 minutes time frame to see how much is possible. Let's mark this place out. Let me mark this place out, and I need to change this color and fill it also so that we can easily identify it. Okay, So let me go to the 15 minutes time frame so we can find it, see what we would have made. Okay guys, you can see here on the 15 minutes time frame. So let's say you entered from this point. Where is that stuff? You enter from this point, then you sold down to this low here, guys. It's over $300. So you will just be selling with peace of mind because you know the target will be this particular low here. In fact, I'm giving you guys strategies as well. You know, you can see, guys, you can see. So if you can always be patient enough to wait for structures to be formed on a higher time frames, then you stand a very high chance of making some good money on a lower time frame, because you catch multiple spikes and you also scalp for hours. You will scalp for hours, like I used to tell you. It's very simple, guys. All you need to do is just to follow the instructions as I have mentioned in this video. Please, there is a link in the description of this video for those who will be serious about a mentorship, because I am open to mentorship, a one-on-one mentorship currently. So if you are interested in a one-on-one mentorship, there's a description, a link in the description of this video. The link is the link will take you to my Telegram channel, where I keep posting updates about events, and in that same channel you will find my direct link to contact me on Telegram too. So then you have to contact me so that you get more information about my mentorship training, the way I do it, and what it, in fact, what it entails. I appreciate, like in my last video, I mentioned that those that were actually those that participated in the 1 week mentorship training, they are really doing well. I appreciate them. They are really doing well. So I want only serious-minded people to contact me for mentorship. If you are not ready to be mentored, please, you can just keep on trading or just find someone else. I don't want a situation you pay money for your mentorship, then at the end you are not serious about it. So it won't look as if you just dumped your money somewhere, you threw your money away to someone, and then at the end you will still complain that you were not taught. But you won't tell anybody. You won't tell people that you were not serious about it, guys. So that's what I want. I don't want everybody. I only need only serious-minded persons. Then I can mentor you. Then you have to pay for it first. You have to pay. It's not free. I'm sorry. So, but it will help you if you join. If you decide to allow me to mentor you, it will help you a lot. You have so many things to benefit from. So until you contact me, then I will mention that. Meanwhile, I think I should host a free training very soon. But anyhow it is, I'll announce here and also on the Telegram channel. Meanwhile, like this video, please share it and comment. Leave the comments. I want to see positive comments. Boost this YouTube channel, guys. There are some person that are looking for this kind of information. These are perfect information, legitimate information people are looking for, guys. So go ahead and like this video so that the YouTube algorithm can easily share it to people, make people see that looking for this information. They can also see it and then join you to benefit from it, guys. Also, to my next video, guys. Peace out.